put that guy in over there, and I finished my puzzle. And I forgot to tell you guys, and that's what you do with it, but I finished it. It took forever. Can you guys see? Make sure you guys can see. Make sure you guys can see. Yep, you guys can. You guys are like, gosh, I'm so bored. But this is my slime today. Like I sorted out. I think I zoomed in, yeah. Okay, just and here's it. It's actually a cream colour. Fucking pretty guys, there's a little raw. And then this bar. You could do that you want the name of the gun. Like Tia. See the yeah. You know the YouTube videos? Yeah. I can stand it on anything. And when I want it to lean forward, it'll let me. Yeah. Go to it. I'm taking the video. Guys, I have a little blue flower there. There's like a pinky, peachy, purpley colour. And guys, look. There's a bump. It's red. Wonder why. Has glitter in. Can you guys see the glitter? Yeah, you guys can see the glitter. There's red, gold, blue, pink, yellow. Okay, this is a pom pom. I loved it in slime. When they put that top. And no one picked that up, but I don't have that so I loved it in it. Getting all the slime off and going in a crying pot. I like it when it has slime on. I see when it's scared of slime. See that? It has a slime off it. Guys, that's it. It's beautiful. I need to put some better. Like, maybe like that. Yeah, it's kind of like good as then now. You can see the slime. And guys, I'm thinking of the name. I might call it guys. Go back with another slime. I'm gonna show you. So then with this one I have called it is because of this piece that I called that one a raspberry. No, a cherry. Yeah, raspberry. So I decided to call this raspberry smoothie. So it's not gonna be a raspberry smoothie. Let me just get that. This sounds so sweet now. That's how I decided to run. Right, guys, think of your head, roll up and do the ball. Make sure you dry out. Guys, that rides off that. Remember, guys, so let's go down below. I'm gonna go put it back. Wait, can you guys hear that? And then you hear this. Can you hear this? Like, yes, so I'm gonna go open the top, shove it in there. Let it sit. There's the good bottom there. Looks good. I didn't have a noise on it. If I put the lid on it, it's set. But it kind of set. You know, do like this little wine berry. And that says raspberry smoothie. Wait, you are smoothie. I make raspberry smoothie, guys. This one is I got for Christmas, and it's very good. Might have to start spinning it and do the other one after. Okay, it's been 5 minutes. Because here is my pot A. Very metallic. It's blue. It does not